Wait, stop scrolling.
I know that, like me, you are also looking for a solid career path that you really love. Did you know that according to recent Gallup polls, nearly 85% of people worldwide admit to hating their jobs? That is a staggering statistic. It means the vast majority of the global workforce is spending 40+ hours a week waiting for Friday to arrive. But what if I told you that a dream job isn't something you find by luck? It's something you engineer through strategy. We often treat career choices like a coin flip, or worse, we follow someone else's map. Today, we're changing that. Whether you're a student, a mid-career professional feeling stuck, or someone looking for a total pivot, I'm giving you 4 proven pillars to help you decide on a career path that doesn't just pay the bills, but fuels your soul. Let's dive in. The first mistake most people make is looking at a job board before looking in the mirror. You have to start with your purpose and values. Think of your values as your internal GPS. If you value freedom, but take a high-paying job that requires you to be on call 24/7, you will be miserable regardless of the paycheck. Look at the story of Nehemiah. He wasn't just a builder. He was a high-ranking cupbearer to the king. On paper, he had a dream job in the palace, but his purpose was tied to his people and the broken walls of Jerusalem. He felt a burden that his current role couldn't satisfy. Your career should be a vehicle for your contribution to the world, not just a way to occupy your time. Write down your top 3 non-negotiable values. Is it creativity, stability, service? If a career path violates these, it's the wrong path. Pillar 2. Align with your passion and skills. There's a popular saying, follow your passion. I'm going to tweak that. Follow your passion, but bring your skills with you. Passion provides the fuel, but skill provides the engine. If you love music but can't carry a tune, professional singer might not be the path, but music producer or entertainment lawyer might be. The sweet spot, the Ikigai framework. To land your dream job, you need to find the intersection of what you love, what you are good at. Research shows that employees who use their strengths every day are 6 times more likely to be engaged at work. Stop trying to fix your weaknesses and start doubling down on what you're naturally wired to do. Pillar 3. Consider your financial matters. Let's get real for a second. We live in a material world, and passion doesn't pay the rent. Choosing a career path without considering financial matters isn't following your heart, it's being impractical. You need to research the earning potential of your chosen field. What is the starting salary? What is the ceiling? Does this income support the lifestyle you envisioned in Pillar 1? This isn't about greed, it's about stewardship. In the Bible, we see the parable of the talents. The servants were expected to manage what they were given and create a return. If you choose a path that leaves you in constant financial stress, you won't have the mental bandwidth to perform at your best or help others. Be honest about your numbers. Use tools like Glassdoor or PayScale to ensure your dream job is also a sustainable one. Pillar 4. Talent growth and industry longevity. Finally, ask yourself, will this industry allow my talent to grow? The world is changing fast. AI, automation, and shifting economies mean that some jobs that exist today won't exist in 10 years. You don't just want a job, you want a trajectory. Look for industries that offer mentorship opportunities, continuing education, scalability. If you enter an industry that is stagnant or shrinking, your talent will eventually hit a wall. You want to be like a tree planted by the water, constantly growing, constantly bearing fruit. If you aren't learning, you're dying. Choose a path where the version of you 5 years from now is significantly more skilled than the version of you today. Deciding on a career path is one of the most significant decisions you will ever make. Don't rush it, and don't let fear make the choice for you. Align your purpose, harness your skills, respect the finances, and ensure there is room to grow. You were created for more than just getting by. You were created to thrive. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show this to more people who might be feeling lost in their careers.